finishing up this week's lesson on case studies. So don't forget there was a discussion where you were going to share out a case study, you were going to try a case study, and then a quick quiz on what case studies are. We are looking at week 6, which if you are in Schoology is going to be found in our Unit 3 folder. So we're moving into some new content, learning about inquiry. And before we can do that, we've got to talk about this idea of differentiation. So within the differentiation folder, here are the 3 assignments you're going to complete this week. One is a play pause it video. So you do need to be logged into Schoology for this through your school account. And there's just a few questions as you're watching this video that you'll answer as you go along. There are 2 chapters that I copied in this discussion, and it's right here in this reading. Read through it swiftly, but here is the assignment. The first chapter is a list of what differentiation is and what it isn't. And so my task for you is to find one of those, maybe one that resonates with you. You're like, oh, I've seen this, or it makes sense to you. And then that's your original post. You're going to find that section and say, differentiation isn't bad classroom management, and then describe what that is by reading the little paragraph within there. So don't spend too long reading through everything, because your job is to focus on one of those. Then you'll get to read through everyone else's posts, and you'll respond to 2 other topics about what differentiation is and what it isn't in our discussion there. And then there's a reflection for you where I've linked some videos and also that reading. And then I'll have you go through and after watching the videos or, perusing our discussion, tell me what differentiation is. There are these 5 key ingredients that you'll learn about that probably are needed for success. And then think of where you've seen this used in the classroom, maybe you as a student or the classrooms that you're working in right now, and share that in the reflection. I look forward to seeing what you've got to say about differentiation. And then I will see you in person on October 2nd is our next in-person meeting during 4B. And then don't forget, we've got a field trip for the future educators at UC Denver on October 6th, that Friday. I'll be going along then too. Don't hesitate to reach out if I can help you in any way. You're doing great. Keep up all the great work, and I'll see you soon.